Start. Sir, changes are taking place in the villages. Stop. Agro industries are coming up. Tractors are there in certain areas. Trailers are there in certain areas. But when a tractor stops, it has to come to the town and the whole process is over. Stop. Tractor cannot be made use of. Stop. I would suggest that workshops should be opened with the help of the agriculture ministry, and in that respect the education ministry should have also a new understanding. Stop. They should see to it that these boys are all trained there. Stop. That will be very helpful. Stop. Agriculture can participate in it, industry can participate in it, education can participate in it. Stop. Thus the boys still get good jobs in the village itself. Stop. A new kind of education craft centers will come up. Stop. So we can make use of agriculture and industry in certain areas, at least in areas where green revolution is coming up, where tractors are used in large numbers and new technical hands are necessary. Stop. Our boys who are up till now not having this kind of education will get that kind of education too. Stop. I would therefore suggest that we change the period of education in such a way that agriculture labor is in a position to attend these schools. Stop. Para. Now, who should be the teacher? Stop. I feel that complete elementary education should be handed over to women. Stop. Up to high school, it should be so because they are the best to deal with the children. Stop. I would therefore suggest that sufficient inducement should be given to educated young women to take up teaching on elementary classes and also classes up to the high school so that they are able to give a new atmosphere in the schools and in the classes. Stop. There should be some reservation of jobs for that section of our people who have up to now been denied proper representation in jobs. Stop. This is another suggestion which I want to make. Stop. Era. Then an atmosphere of education can be further created by involving the villages in construction of school buildings. Stop. The best thing will be to invite the people of that village to help them build a good school there. Stop. If a village is promised a high school and a college, students and villagers are mobilized for the work. Unemployed young men are mobilized, and you will be in a position to see that the entire section of the village participates. School will be constructed with the help of the local people. Stop. Therefore, the problem of construction should be left to the panchayat of that village. Stop. Let there be bigger buildings for schools constructed with the help of these people. Let us not squeeze these people in the same building in so many shifts. Stop. Money must be collected in the form of cess from the villagers. Stop. Put a tax on them. Stop. If you are not able to collect money from the people in the form of tax, then there must be education cess from all those people. Stop. Para. Then the question of examination comes. Stop. The examination has become a bugbear. Stop. Our boys have no other job than cramming their books. Stop. They do not have time to play. Stop. Their life has become miserable. Stop. It is time to change the system, that there should be no examination up to high school. Of course there should be some tests, and the teachers must be in a position to evaluate their students and see that they are allowed to go to the higher classes. So I would not elaborate on that because there is no time left. Stop. Anyhow, the present education system is very defective. Stop. Era. As far as inspection is concerned, I would suggest that the teachers must be there for inspection. Stop. It should be a promotion post for the teachers. Stop. Why should you recruit students fresh from the universities? Stop. They are absolutely new and have no understanding of education. Stop. Now a post is advertised and the young man applies and becomes an inspector. Stop. It should not be done. Stop. Somebody who has enough experience in education must be the inspector of schools. Stop. Era. Another thing that I want to point out is these public schools have become a menace. Stop. In big cities you have got such big schools, they have an entirely different outlook. Stop. It is high time, and they have nothing to do with the ordinary people. Stop. Our people are mainly in the villages. Stop. These children also should get the same kind of education that the ordinary people get. Stop. It is the big men's children who go to these public schools. Stop. We do not want that. Stop. You speak too much about socialism, this and that, but at least see that this pattern is made common for all people. Stop. Let there not be two classes of education in the education system. Stop. Era. The other thing is about students participation in the management of education. Stop. In all high schools and universities there should be students participation. Stop. How to do that? Stop. I would say that in the university bodies, along with the representation of the teachers and non teaching staff, the students should also have representation in the senate. Stop. Syndicate, etc. They should be there. Stop. That is one of the suggestions that I would like to make. Stop. There is no use thinking that our boys are not educated for that. Stop. We are 5 or 6 generations away from the modern boy. Stop. We do not know what he thinks. Stop. He has something new to tell us. He belongs to a different era. Stop. He is born after independence. Stop. He has something very new to tell. Stop. Let us take him into confidence and let us have him in these university bodies. Stop. So a complete reorganization is necessary, and this should be immediately attended to. Stop. As it is, we have theory without practice, knowledge without knowing, and life without living. Stop. This has to be stopped. Stop. Knowledge is through knowing, life must be through living, and this can be achieved only if better education is given to the toiling people and workers. Stop.